Wednesday. How's your week going? It's very hot and steamy where we are here in Charleston, South Carolina. The beautiful Charleston, South Carolina. I know you guys are all over the world, but if you have the opportunity, come visit us here in Charleston. It's just such a phenomenal place, and it feels like a little European city with a lot of Southern flair and hospitality, for sure. But we've got something really exciting to talk about, and I want to give a few more folks a minute to jump on here. But yeah, tell us where you're from. Tell us if you have a morph dress, and tell us what you like about it. I'm telling you what, your comments and reviews are like food for my soul. I'm not going to lie. The things that you all write and share with me, whether through email or through reviews, and I'm going to read some reviews here because I think it's really important for folks to hear from you guys. I can talk all day about how great this dress is, but it certainly holds more weight when these words come from you guys, for sure. So we've got a fantastic giveaway, you guys, and it's going to be easy peasy for you all. We know that you love how you look in your morph dresses. Some of you own 15 of them, and we are so grateful to you all. I think once you start morphing, and I think you've probably figured this out too, is that it's hard not to wear a morph because it is so easy and you do look so elegant or street style or like you're ready to go see a soccer game. That's the beauty of this piece, right, is the changeability factor. As women, we hear all the time, oh gosh, she changes her mind faster than she changes her, I don't know. But the beauty of this dress is that it can keep up with those changes and those desires and the events that you have to attend. You can look very demure, you can be very covered up. You know, we have lots of clients, even in the Middle East, who feel like they can wear this in a very covered up style and then go home and be a little bit more risque. And we love to hear that because it is all about how you feel. Because when you feel beautiful, you look beautiful. And when you look beautiful, people want to tell you that. And with this dress, it's certainly a talking piece. I will give you that. It's very hard not to morph and not to morph in public. So when someone says, I love your dress, I know what you all are doing because you're doing what I'm doing. They say, I love your dress. And you go, oh, well, thanks. Well, guess what? Look what else it can do. Hey, look what else it can do. And before you know it, you're at Kroger in the grocery store aisle or line and you're morphing. And we just absolutely love that. It is fun. It does get people talking. It's an icebreaker at a business meeting for sure. And one thing that's fun too is that guys love this dress. There is such a nerd component to, not that men are nerds, I like nerds, but there's a transformer element to this dress too, which is super fun, sort of a mechanically smart innovation that men really like. And I'm going to read some reviews to you guys later. Some of them you're going to know who you are because I know that you're watching. Hi, where are you from? Iran, hello. But anyway, guys, we have a great giveaway to talk about, and I want to talk about it now because I know your time is limited and short, and then we'll talk about some reviews and some fun stuff. We want to give you a capsule dress, and we want to do that by way of sharing your beautiful photos. You guys send us great pictures all the time. We want you to share those photos on your social media. This is all about spreading the word and sharing the love. And it's wonderful for me to hear, but it's also wonderful for us when you share it with new clients. So what we want is 3 photos of you in your favorite morph styles. And you can pair this with a jean jacket or whatever, make it a skirt, do whatever it is you really like. We want 3 photos as a minimum. You can send us more if you like. If you can do that in a carousel, like where you add like a few photos in one Instagram post, that would be great. You share that on your feed. And you also need to hashtag #HowIMorph. This is how we're gonna find you guys. And we wanna find you because we wanna share your beautiful photos or video. We'd like a 90-second video, 90 seconds or less. Guys, this doesn't have to be professional level stuff. We know that can be hard to do. Maybe have a friend take a video, or a friend take some pictures, or you and your man are out to dinner and have him take a couple shots of you, or you're on vacation. We just got some beautiful pictures of one of our lovely clients who lives in Germany, but she was traveling in Greece. Her name is Petra. Hi Petra, if you're watching, I hope you're loving Greece. I'm sure you're loving Greece. But they can be on a trip, they can be in your backyard. Just don't take selfies in the mirror. As much as we like those, and those are easy to do, we can't really post those as well, and they don't convey. But we'd like to share these in stories and possibly on our Instagram feed. And we want to do this because it's so important for other clients to see real clients and real friends and part of this Morph family, because I certainly do consider you family. Important to see how you style it, and that I'm not making this up, that this dress really is all that and a bag of chips, and you tell us that every day, and so we're super grateful. So guys, we want you to share this on your social media. You have until midnight next Tuesday. Midnight next Tuesday, we have to have everything in. We're gonna start sharing your stuff as we get it. So if for some reason you don't see your pictures or video on our feed or our stories or something, reach out, DM us. You can email us at info@morphclothing. You're talking to me when you do that. We have a pretty big presence on social media. We have a couple 100,000 likes and followers on our Facebook, and I don't know, 10,500 or so on Instagram. But it's hard to get to everybody, but we will. We have the best team of stylists. Andrea Serrano, we love you so much. I don't know how I got so blessed to work with you. Liza Malia, your photography is incredible. So you'll also be talking to those folks, just beautiful ladies, when you message us or DM us. So we look like a really big company, and we will be one day, but we sell directly to you all, which means we don't wholesale. We've got lots of questions from our international clients, especially about, do you wholesale? Where are your stockists? Where can I buy this? You can't. We sell directly to you from the web, which means social media is very, very important to our success. And that's part of why we're asking you to do this. Not only do I personally enjoy it tremendously to see how you all are wearing these pieces, but it also helps us. So just like when you shop online and you ask, you read reviews first, right? I do too. And it's very important, and I'm telling you what, we've got like the best fans ever. And your comments and compliments and photos are, like I said, it's food for my soul, you guys, and I'm just very grateful. I want to read a couple of these things real quick to you, just because I think they're important, if I can see. We have a lot of global clients. Is Liza texting you? Does she need me? We have a lot of global clients, and I'll tell you what, I want to thank you guys so much, because we do know that there's an added expense, and it's significant. If we could get rid of customs fees and duty fees altogether, God knows we would, because we know it's a huge pain in the butt for you all, but it's also sometimes cost prohibitive, which means we're not doing as much business as we'd like to do over there for you guys. So anyway, I don't see that stopping anytime soon, but the beauty is you guys aren't stopping anytime soon either, because you understand the value and the worth of these pieces. You understand that it's a per use thing, and I've got some funny and wonderful reviews to read about this. Here we go. This is Nicola from the UK. OMG, fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. What can I say? Absolutely 10 out of 10 for everything. I'm gobsmacked. Everything has been so amazing. From me contacting the guys to understand what would be the best size option for me. They took the time to understand my measurements, helping me with my email address. Yes, I screwed it up the first time. She ordered her dress on February 9th. It arrived in the UK in less than a week. And she says, let's see, oh my, it is everything and more. It fits so well. It's so flattering. Material isn't see-through, feels so soft like a second skin. Design is ingenious. Yada, yada, yada. Ordered the blue. Let's see, it's the best thing I've ordered in years. Dressed it up for cocktails, dressed it down for a barbecue, paired it with jeans as the top for a date. This is it. I can't stop raving about it. You think, hey, it's only a dress. Ah, my friend. She's so cute. Ah, my friend, that is where you're wrong. It's a whole wardrobe. Thank you so much. now I'm off to order another in a different color. I love this kind of stuff, and it is true. Once you start morphing, it's really hard to wear other things. We have women who talk to us about having breast cancer and breast surgery and feeling very uncomfortable in other things that they wear, and how this piece allows them to get dressed easily. There are people that have special needs or mobility issues, and this piece again allows them to feel very comfortable and very kind of free in it. We got a review the other day that I want to share that I think is really, really great. She said, this is from a year. So this woman has had this dress for a year. Julie, we love you. She said, love this dress. I've had this dress for a year now, and it fits like it did when I bought it. No shrinkage or fade from washing. Absolutely love this dress, and has been such a wonderful talking point. People are so in awe when I get to show them so many ways to wear it. So guys, we do create pieces that are supposed to last a really long time, especially if you care for them well. We ask that you wash them on gentle inside out, flat dry if you can, toss them in the dryer for just a minute or two to fluff them up. But we use the best fabrics, and that's honestly, you guys, why it takes a long time to get new colors when we're out of stock. Everything is made by hand, okay, which takes a long time anyway. But even getting the quality of fabric that I demand has been a little challenging. So I want to admit that right now with the supply chain stuff, with COVID, it's been quite difficult. But we've got new things coming. We've got a new multi-wear piece on the way. We have a wonderful new color about to be rolled out, and this plum is being made right now, so it's going to be back in stock. It is my absolute favorite color to wear, and I was just talking to Clay saying, you know, I've never been a fan of purple, but my gosh, I love this purple so much. I don't ever want to take it off. So guys, listen, do not miss out. Win a free capsule dress, and this is open to everyone overseas as well. I will pay for your shipping, okay? We're gonna choose a winner. We're gonna let you guys know on the next Facebook Live. So do not miss this next Facebook Live. Wednesdays at noon, US Eastern Standard Time is when we try to come knock on your door, hoping that you're home and available to watch. If you are not, these things live on our Facebook feed, so you can go back and watch them anytime you like. But remember, you've got to hashtag. You got an email the other day, guys, that's got all the details in it. If you have any questions,